Hello students, welcome back to our third BSc Botany test and assignment series. Today we will be talking about taxonomy and economic botany topics. This is test 1. The basic learning objective is to improve the understanding and writing skills of students, to know their level of intellectual capacity, and to know how much the students have acquainted with the topic. Now, this test will contain two types of questions. One will be of 10 marks and the other of 5 marks, right? Now, in the first part, first question says give an account of the system of classifications. Here, you will be asked to describe any one of either Bentham and Hooker's or Engler and Prandtl system of classification. Here you need to write an introductory paragraph mentioning the type of classification, like whether it is natural, artificial, or whatever, along with the name of the eminent botanists who have proposed this particular type of classification and the name of the book in which it was published along with the year of publication. You can then make a flow chart in which you will describe the classification system. So this is applicable for both, either Bentham and Hooker system of classification or Engler and Prandtl system of classification. Next will be explain the merits and demerits of the given system of classification. You will be given one system of classification. You will have to distinctly mention its merits and demerits. Here I would like to mention, do not repeat the points and do not get confused. Next, see, you will have a 5-mark question. You will be given two and will be asked to write any one of them. Here it is written merits of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. It can be any of the two. When merits are asked, you will distinctly and specifically only write merits. Please write the merits precisely and do not get into the demerits. Then you have another question here. It is asking you to describe species concept. Fine. So this is a brief overview of how will the questions be in your test. Okay, thank you so much for your kind attention.